Hello, I am here. How's everyone doing? Hope you're doing alright. Right. Naturally, the moment I start talking, my tablet decides I don't need to see the chat anymore. You know, why would I? Why would I need to see the chat on my own stream? Can't see a reason why I would ever need to do that. Right, let me just get the music back on. I think it's Book, Johnny, and Dav in the stream at the moment. Hello to you three. If others are watching, hello to those as well. And Tom as well. Welcome. Alright, let me just turn the stream music down like that. I realised it was a bit loud last time. So if I turn it down to that, and then if I just do that and then deselect that and then hit enter, it should play them all in some order. That is very loud. Alright, what sort of order have we got going on there? Alphabetical. Okay, then we should do a bit of a shuffle. Okay, that should be fine. Let me know if the sound's alright on that. That is semi-loud-ish. Maybe, I don't know. If I just need to work out where the hell I'm putting all these windows. That goes there, that goes there, that gets... this goes over to here. And then minimized. And then that goes away completely. Okay, cool. So where is it? It is this one I want? Yes. That's the one I want. Okay, I can't... Was there a reason I was on 3.9? I think it might have been Hikari Sake was a reason for me being 3.9. I don't remember though. What is going... Oh, is this... Oh, it was already open. Interesting. Right, I got told by someone that this wasn't zoomed in enough. Which I'm marginally perplexed by, but I will upgrade it. Yeah, font size 2. I didn't save. It's obviously too small. Oh, why is the number lock on this being so weird? There we go. That's as big as I'm willing to make it. If that's not big enough, then just get a bigger monitor, I suppose. I can't make it that too big, so that I can't do anything with it. One thing I do want to do though is I want to change up how this works ever so slightly. Because I did start work on Carberra V2 this morning. Well, I say start work. It's been going for a while, but I kind of decided to take over development somewhat of it. And basically I've got something here that I want to use. Let me just double check I've got everything correct. We don't have an on-stopping at the moment. We're probably going to need one. Also, maybe kind of want to put the error handling in a separate file rather than just this one. Stopping event. Oops, that's the wrong button. I have no idea why I thought that one was the end button, but here we are. On stopping event Hikari. Stopping event. And then can't do really anything in there at the moment. And then what I had I don't really know if I want the shutting down command here or not. What I had was this is def run. And then so this then went in a file called bot.py. And here, this was all replaced with from tutorial import bot, and then if name equals main. Oh, God's sake. Bot.run. And I just kind of clean things up a bit. Welcome Carla to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Like that. We've got shutting the bot down. I feel like that should just be the Control C thing at the moment, rather than a shutdown command, because then we can do commands a little bit later. Obviously for people without Control C, I'm gonna have to think of something different. Probably go into the task manager. I do definitely want to try and move this error handling to a separate extension though. Potentially. It just looks quite messy being here. Oh, I suppose it's not too bad. I suppose it's fine there actually. And everything else is kind of out of the way. Oh. We've been taking to Funktown straight away though. That's a lot louder than the other song. Yeah, one thing I've noticed is that a number of these songs are fairly significantly louder than others. So if the music does ever get too loud, then do let me know, and I will go and fix it. Yeah, one other thing I need to do was actually start the scheduler. I'm gonna start it, I think here maybe. .start. And that should log itself. In Carberra I do actually I'd start a client session as well, but I don't think we're gonna need that. Actually, we might do if we're doing API requests. Yeah, I might do that actually. From AO HTTP import client session. I suppose we'll see if we ever get around to using it. So we connect to the Redis server, and then in the unstarting we also oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. Bot.do session equals client session trust env equals true. I'm actually going to start the scheduler first, and then this doesn't actually log itself. Do we have a logger at the moment? We do. Log.info AO HTTP session started. And then in neon stopping, we need to await. We need to do bots.d.schedule.shutdown. So that shuts down the scheduler. You need to do await.bot.session.close. So that actually closes the AO HTTP session. Log.info AO HTTP session closed. And await bot.rest.create message. Int os dot Environ standard out channel ID. Tutorial bot is now, whoops, offline. Yeah, we'll do that actually. So we have a way to stop the bot and a way to start the bot, or I suppose like behaviors for when they do that. So if you do Python, what is it? Python-m tutorial. Nope, that's not what I want. That's also not what I want. ZSH, come on, you can do it. This one. Oh, great. Alright, because the server hasn't been started yet. Redis server, there we go. And then if you shut it down, it should shut down fine. There we go. Amazing. What a great bot. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's pretty much. Oh, we need to do. I think we need to do database here, don't we? Yeah, we need to do database, and then we've done all of section 2. Sweet as. I guess we want to do that here then. Supposedly. Although actually, I did. Hang on. I did sort of half decide against doing this though, to be fair. Where is. Oh no, it's not here, is it? It's here. So in Carberra, for example, we have this database utility that handles a number of things. I don't think I'm going to use this. I think I'm just going to do it kind of more manually this time around, because as far as I can tell, this database utility just confused people. So I think I'm just going to have it without this, methinks. I do now need to work out whether on earth that's going to go. Probably go in here somewhere. It would. If I go to the bottom and see how it's previously connected. So I could probably go like around here somewhere. Bot.d. Scheduler, not scheduler. What am I doing? D. Database. That'd be DB, I suppose. Bot.d. Yeah, bot.d.db. Would be. Oh, hang on, I actually need the database thing open, really. So this would be import AO SQLite. This would be connect. Oh, this has to be in a wait. Okay. So I suppose we'll do this first. Connect. And it'd be. It'd be data/database.db. No, it'd be SQLite 3. I think I decided I ended up doing. Was that what I decided I was doing? I really don't remember. Which bot was the newest one? I know there was a bot where I did something different, but I don't remember if that ever even came to be in the end. Was it? It may have been. Oh no. ModMail doesn't use a database, so it's not that. I have no idea. But I'm pretty sure something I used at the SQLite 3 extension, because it just, I think git ignores have that in there by default. Whereas they don't have DB3, and DB's a little bit confusing. So I think that makes more sense. Then we could do bot.db.scheduler.add job, and then yeah, bot.d.db.commit. And then it'd be with a cron trigger. And second equals 0. But we need to, I've whacked my mouse, we need to import that. So from apscheduler.triggers, this is starting to become a bit of a mess of a file here. Does make me wonder if I should somewhat simplify this just a little bit, I don't know. Like try and move some stuff out. Oh god. Oh my goodness. I could maybe move some logic out. Is it really that bad? I don't know. Create cache. Just create objects, just random, I suppose. And then what.db.execute pragma journal mode equals val. I cannot remember for the life of me why that was better, but me and Max both determined that was better to do it like that. Also, this needs to be in a way still. And then you have a wait bot.d.db.execute script. I'll be, with open build.sql as f, and then it'll be f.read. And then we actually need to create that file. So I'll go in here. So build.sql already exists. Oh, I already made the file. Okay, fair enough. And then here we have create table if not exists. And then I have no idea what sort of tables we're going to need. Let me go back and look at the old discord.py series and see what was in there. It's just a custom prefix. I don't know if I ever want to bother doing that. I suppose I should, considering that it's going to be message commands as well. Alright, we'll do it. I don't know what else we want to do right now. Okay, nothing on here at the very least. Guild ID, integer, primary key, and prefix text default. I think that ends up being right. Welcome Darken332 to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Just gonna turn that down a bit in my ears because that is Really quite loud. This song is a bit of a loud. I've just accidentally launched DaVinci Resolve instead of what I wanted to launch. I'm just gonna turn the turn it up a bit. Turn the music down a bit more. For God's sake. Oh, 35.1 will be fine. Yeah, let me know if the music does end up being too quiet or too loud at any point. And I'll give it a change up. So that should now do the thing. Oh no. Parties ever warning. Normalized method is no longer necessary. This time zone supports the fold attribute pet495. What? I think that's a warning just from... I'm not sure that's something we're going to be able to fix. So it looks as though that's coming straight out of the AP scheduler. Yeah, that's coming straight out of AP scheduler. Oh well, we can't handle it. And then so connection committed to job store default. Scheduler started. Oh hello. Oh yeah, I forgot. AP Scheduler literally sends log messages every single time a job is run. Which is a bit annoying. But it worked. Which is good. Yeah, we have a database here. And then if I go to the file explorer real quick, reveal in Explorer SQLite 3 file, and then we load it with the DB browser for SQLite. And it's locked. Amazing. No, that isn't going to send out a warning every single time a job runs, is it? I really hope that's not the case. Because if so, that is going to be irritating. Oh no, it's not. It just did something else apparently. I wonder if there's an issue open about that. Oh, that's not right. Oh, I never closed the connection to database. That's probably not good. Let me quickly just verify how that's done. Okay, that's done like... Yeah, I'll shut the scheduler down first and everything, just in case. We'll do await bot.d.db.close, I think it is. Yeah. Log.info. And I will set, instead of saying database created, we'll say the connection has been opened. Okay, yeah, there we go. So now we have a database that we're connecting to and everything. And this is probably in, well, to a fairly decent extent how our file will look for the most part. So we can now say that we have done up to chapter 2. Okay. So creating the bot account will be 1.1. Required installation setup will be 1.2. Running the bot will be 2.1. Shutting the bot down 2.2. Handling errors 2.3. Creating a database 2.4. Using a Redis cache 2.a. That's good, I think. Okay, so now we've got to do sending and replying to messages. It can't really do replying to messages outside of commands, I don't think. Which is a small problem. We've already done sending messages though, really, haven't we? This is doing creating messages. Yes, we've sort of already done the creation bit. Does make me wonder if I should do extensions beforehand and then talk about different types of messages afterwards. I love how error handling is still in the other episode section. So this is literally just... So adding commands and adding slash commands is now basically the same episode. Which you can see now why I kind of didn't really go much further than what I've done so far. Scheduling tasks, we've technically already done that. Does that need to be a separate episode? I suppose probably, yeah. So this would be 2.5. Scheduling tasks, creating a database using Redis cache, okay. So that covers, I'm pretty sure, everything we've done here. Sure, because we now have this sketches that we create, and then on starting we would I'd probably do a bit of an example maybe and then get rid of it. Oh god. It's so difficult to try and think of like a proper example that isn't just going to be completely like wasted. I guess we could do like bot.d.scheduler .add job def relay ping. This will probably be something that's maybe commented out. We don't need self. What am I doing self for? You not need self. And it'd be await int os.environ bot.rest.create message. And then, yeah, we're missing one there. What in the name? Why is, oh, right, because this needs to be async. No, this just sucks. I guess we'll just leave it like that, and then I'll probably do something like kind of random in there. Actually, know what I can do? Await bot.d.scheduler dot add job lambda log.info ping equals, and then bot.heartbeat latency. I guess it would work. F. Bot 1000, and then that also needs to be cron triggered, and then we'll just have that run every second for now. And then that needs to be done. Welcome Book to the stream, hope you're doing okay. Oh no, oh. I guess I'm gonna constantly log in. Oh, god damn. Why? Why does AP Scheduler do that? Can I, hang on, can I change AP Scheduler's logging level? I don't really want to disable it. Look, propagate equals false. Planning about missing handlers. It's not disable schedule logging. Completely does remove the info messages OP wanted to be rid of. Yeah, it's one of the annoying things about the loggers. It's just very annoying. How you can have a filter? I'd want the messages just set level to critical to shut it. Yeah, but I'd kind of want the messages in debug. I don't want all this. The message be printed anywhere. It's necessary to set the logger level to info. So I don't know whether this only emits warning messages or sets everything to warning. Because I want. Don't use AP Scheduler. No, you can't use Markdown on Twitch chat. Start first. Right, we'll just do this, I suppose. So imagine this will just set our log info. Login.get logger, set level warning, and then if you do that, okay, there we go. That does appear to be working. I think that's then gotten rid of, I think, pretty much everything. Oh no, it's not. It's still got the rest of the info messages because it's only this. Okay, that works. I've also messed something up. Object job can't be used in await expressions. I'm guessing this isn't an asynchronous then. Okay, there we go. That sorted itself out. Okay, cool. Perfect. And I want to try and welcome Side to the stream. How are you doing? Okay. I want to demonstrate this. So I'm going to do. I think it's that. That will do it every 15 seconds. They're just then, so it should now do it. Oh, that's doing it every 4 seconds. Okay, so this will do it every 15 seconds then. I don't know why I tried to bloody alt tab into the calendar then. Welcome back, Colour. Hope you're doing okay. There we go, yeah. So that's now set to log every 15 seconds. So it's streaming Hawkeye and a stream at the same time. Oof. Okay, I think that's a relatively decent example of scheduling tasks that I can do in the actual scheduler video itself. It is just going to be annoying though, isn't it? I don't know why this keeps complaining about this. There's nothing we can do about it. Which is annoying, but you know, what can you do? Well, in our case, we literally cannot do anything. Okay, so that's now section 2 completely done. So we've got scheduling tasks, and then we create a database later on as well. And then we end up with. I don't know. Does this appear messy to people? I don't really know. And let me get a better hold on it. Let me just put it back to where I normally put it. So is that where I normally have it? I think that's too small. Yeah, that's where I normally have it. No, actually, that's not terrible. Yeah, okay, I can live with that. So yeah, we'll probably do this. That'll probably make it easy for people to see. Whoa! If I just zoomed it in like literally twice. Just kept settings the same. So I barely even know what Hawkeye is. Is that like a... I'm guessing by the chat that's some sort of film. I really don't know. Imagine having like any movie subscription service, by the way. Could be me. I know of the Avengers. Is it? Oh, what the hell? Yeah, it is. Yeah. If it's Marvel, that would explain why I have no idea what it is. Okay, so yeah, there's a bit of a kind of an issue here about whether I do messages first, the different types of messages first. Considering that it's really already been done. You kind of have to do messages before the error handling if you are going to do it. Which is a bit annoying. I might just do that here. MCU stands for Marvel Cinematic Universe. Because I'm on 160p. My god. So sending That too many. Well, I know that much. I know that, and I've seen the original Iron Man, and that is as far as my knowledge about the Marvel Cinematic Universe goes. I thought for the longest time. Actually, I don't know if he is. I was gonna say I thought for the longest time that Spider-Man, Marvel or DC? I don't know, but like, I don't remember which he is, but I remember thinking he was the one that he isn't for the longest amount of time. Welcome Cran to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. So we'll go to more depth later to cover the types. I probably could. Yeah. I mean, the stuff we're doing here isn't exactly complicated in any way. I mean, this like rest.create message is just kind of not normally how you do it. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. That seems easy enough to do. So sending and replying to messages. I think it's the replying to messages requires commands, basically. So I'd need, in order to do replying, I'd need to create an extension first, which seems like a bit of a weird order. Well, Spider-Man is Marvel, okay. I never watched Endgame. Yeah, it makes it somewhat easy to deal with, but then this replying thing. Although I could potentially handle that here. The on message create. In what? There isn't an on message. Oh, on message create. Oh, I could. I probably could. I touched on sending messages, not replying. So replying, I mean, when I say replying, I mean doing like, well, this exactly, like kind of, you know, this replying. So no, like just test for example. If I were to reply to a message like that, like the bot as well, you can't do that without an original message. I think you could do it here though. I think I have no way of testing it. But I probably could do something here. Hikari dot, is it? Yeah, it is message to create, isn't it? Message create event. Message create event. And then we'll do it here. Yeah, I think this probably, it's a bit awkward, but I think whichever way we do this, it's going to be a little bit awkward, but I think it is probably better to get messages out of the way first, then go into commands. Oh, that led into each other smoothly, didn't it? I suppose if event.message.starts with, which essentially gives the arrow. Yeah, it's a font ligature, so it's part of the font, but also you can go into settings and turn ligatures on or off through here. So you can set that to false if you want. I just have it as true because I very much prefer it. So if message starts with, I don't know, test, for example, then we could do event.message.respond testing test it'll be testing 1 2 3. The font does have to support them, but if ligatures are turned on and the font doesn't support them, it's not going to error out. Welcome. Is that Squoze? I can't tell. The thing is, your name has appeared grey on my screen, so it's grey on black, so I can barely see it. I think that's Squoze. Welcome to the stream, nonetheless. Hope you're doing okay. Yes, we are building a Discord bot. This is specifically planning for the Thingy Bob series. God knows. Hikari! That's the one. I've also spelt respond very wrong. And then I think we do reply equals... Oh my god, look at the type hit for the content! Oh no, this is just... Wait, oh, reply is all the way down here. Okay, that makes a bit more sense. So if you do reply equals true, then that sends the reply out. Never mind. Message object is no attribute stars. Oh yeah, because it's event.message.content. Actually, I could probably do, instead of starts with, I could probably just do that, just for demonstration's sakes. Okay, that was weird. I'm also going to do -00. No module named .00. Oh, does that need to go before that then? Apparently it does. So my theme. The theme is called IU Mirage Boarded. Whoa, 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 whoa. Coroutine. Just never responded. Oh no. I'm guessing someone tried to do it in the server. Actually, while I'm here, invite people. If I then just throw the invite in the chat for people to join the testing server should they want to. I really hope that's for the right server. Looks to have been. Yep. Okay, cool. Okay, so now if you do it, it should. Hey. So that's what I mean by responding. And then if you do, I think you do like allow. I forget what it is. Mention. I think is it mention equals true. No. Let's use the mentions equals true. I think. Oh yeah, that seems to be the case. Oh no, it's mentions reply. So now it should ping you in a very annoying way. Hey, cool. That's annoying. I don't know if I'm gonna add those emojis, to be honest. Just kabah. If events, I'm going to set this to reply rather than test as well, just to make it a bit easy to deal with. So if message.content double equals embed, I'm also going to move this down. I'll just do it like that, that's good. Software and game development category instead. But we're not making a game though, so welcome Code Blue to the stream though. Yeah, it's not a game technically, so I decided not to put that tag on there. It's and game dev. What? I don't know what you mean. Is there like a entirely separate tag for software and game development now? It's not appearing on my list of tags. Oh, it's a category. What's the category set to? Oh, have they got a software category now? Oh my god, they have. When did they add that? Is that new? I feel like that's new. I'm sure I haven't seen that before. Past 8 months or so. Wow, okay. In that case, not many coding streamers know about it because every coding streamer I've seen around uses the science and technology one. Interesting. Well, thanks for letting me know about that. I think I searched for a category before, but I think I'd maybe searched like programming or something and it might not have come up. Thanks for the follow, King Raghava, by the way. By the way, if you are enjoying this stream, feel free to drop a follow if you're not already. Does help out a bit. You can also subscribe if you're really enjoying it. Wink wink, nudge nudge. No, we went in Science Tech now. Okay, fair enough. Farm animal streams now. How weird. Oh, okay. Maybe people have found out about it relatively recently. I think it's if people already started finding out about it within like the last 2 months or so, I didn't stream for a while, so I might have missed that train. But yeah, if we do embed equals Hikari.embed and then have title equals this is an embed. Description equals you can have a description. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. And then it'd be color equals event dot message dot author. I think it's dot author anyway. Oh, but isn't author a user, a member? I think it's member dot color. I think there's an alias for that. And time zone equals, I do not remember what it's supposed to be, but I know Hikari does warn you about it. I think it's DT. I need to actually import it though. DT dot. Wow, we'll just trigger the warning. I really don't remember what it's supposed to be. Actually, I think it's like as time zone, isn't it? No, we'll do it properly and look it up. There we go. See the difference if you look at the content in both categories. Just thought I'd pass on. Yeah, that's fair. I do appreciate that, my dude. I'd always kind of been wanting for a more specific coding category. So that does certainly help out. Okay, testing this one. This has got to have an embed in it somewhere, surely. Okay, it doesn't have one there. Okay, links is like interactions and stuff. One of these has got to have a... Does the paginator have one? No, it doesn't. Okay, I guess we'll find out the hard way. Member object has no attribute color. Oh great, what is it? Member, yeah, I'd want the actual member object. Oh, you have to get the top roll, don't you? It's not abstracted. I remember now. Yeah. .get.roll.color. And hope there's an alias for it. Unbound method datetime.as timezone needs an argument. Alright, we're just going to set UTC now, trigger the warning and see what it says. I do not remember. Top roll doesn't have a colour, but low roll does. I suppose that is a fair point. Unexpected argument, time zone. Why have I done that? That is a very good point. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, this is the one. Will not work correctly with this implementation. Oh, it's now.as time zone. I almost had it. You get a very substantial warning. That is a fair point about the color thing, though. Oh, God's sake. I don't know how Discord.py does it. Okay, presents, get rolls, get top roll. Fetch self. Yeah, there just isn't a get color. That's interesting. I guess you just make like a simple iterator, I suppose. Yeah, huh. Let me make an issue about that. Well, providing there isn't one already made. There might be one already there. I'm guessing not. Let's have a look at this. Wow, literally nothing about colours at all. I guess it'd be a feature request. Add method of... Yeah, but having it in the API would be nicer. So, currently... Hikari is a Discord.py alternative. In short. Yeah. Currently the best way to do it is to... Well, currently the only way to do it. Checking for a color. It's because cache. Well, is there like no way of getting it out of the API itself? Like surely there's some sort of rest thing. Tom, could you please add a utility to light bulb that gets the colour of a member? Thank you, darling. I'll scrap the issue then. Await member dot color would, or like get color or something. That would be fine. If you had something like that looks fine to me. Oh no, it's up to you. For now, I guess I will just do some random color. I don't like any. I think it's. I was gonna say any old random color. I'm gonna move this out of the way just in case there's any sensitive data on the paste buffer. But there should be. Okay, so there's virtually no data on the paste buffer at all, including what I thought was on there. Fantastic. I don't know. Sure, that's a beautiful colour. I don't actually know. Even before it's the most disgusting shade of mustard green in the world. I think it's quite a dark colour actually. Oh god, it is the most disgusting shade of mustard green in the world. What have I done? You know, let me get my nice blue that I like so much that I still apparently resolutely will not store the colours as text, but manually get them out of this out of this demo sheet that I made ages ago when I was planning how the brand was going to look, because I'm just that good. That's a nice blue. Either that or that's the purple, but I'm pretty sure it's the blue. Yeah, it's the blue. I've accidentally hit on the click the link there. In before cache yeet. It's annoying that like Discord like doesn't have an API request for it. Like you'd think they'd include that, but whatever. Well, you can fetch. Couldn't you have something that fetches it though? You could have something that like gets the roles or like fetches the role list or something. Yeah. Oh, okay. One thing you could do is how the client does it. So sorted. This is going to be terrible, but event.message.member.fetch roles key, and then we need the next on this, and then we need dot color key equals lambda r dot color. That might work. Filter rolls out, so I don't have a color. Well, I think sorted should do that, shouldn't it? Oh no, but it would have to be reversed. I think. Be positioned there. Well, it's sorting by. That's true. It would do. It well, it would. Yeah, I suppose it would. Okay. So, is there a filter keyword as part of the sort? There isn't. I guess you would have to filter. By those. No, it's not a key. It's a lambda r dot color and lambda r dot position, and then I wouldn't need to reverse it anymore. So it would take... okay, shut up. So it would take... It would filter all of the members' roles by the ones with colours. And it would sort those by the position. And then it would get the next one of those. Actually, would it be reversed still? I don't know which order the positions go. To be honest, what I need is I need a role with an actual colour to it. Welcome Terminal to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Right, give me blue. Make me blue, laddie. I think the test roll is already blue, but whatever, it doesn't matter. Alright, let's see if that works, I suppose. Nope. List object is not an iterator. How have I ended up with that? Which one is a list? It's not telling me, because we're on Python 3.9 and not Python 3.10, because Hikari Sake doesn't work on Python 3.10. Gosh darn it! Well, it's not really a... Key should be positioned though. It is. I'm not sure if that was an old message though. Fetch also returns a list. List is object is not an iterator. That shouldn't matter, should it? I was gonna say. Since when wasn't that allowed? Because it returns an iterator. I'm not convinced by this. Hang on. L equals 1, 2, 3. F equals filter lambda x double equals 1. L. Which is perfectly fine with that. What is Python doing right now? An iterator, not an iterable. But filter accepts iterables. This is the thing. I mean, I know the iter thing would solve it, but I don't know. I don't understand why it's not working. It's sorted that it's complete. It might be. Let me have a look at the error. List object is not an iterator. Well, it's getting a filter object. So split what? I don't know what ath means. I'm gonna try the iter thing and see if that does just miraculously fix the issue, and then we will try and figure out why the hell Python is just not cooperating. Oh, go! Stop it! Okay, no, it's just... So it's not that bit. It's something else. Check Discord in a sec. Alright. Split the one-liner. Something is just wrong. So that's matched up to that. This is matched up to that. They're all matched up correctly. What is sorted returning? Sorted typically returns a list. Right, yeah, okay. What we've done there is I've gotten confused. So it should be that. We've done it, lads. We've done something basic in Python. What an actual meme. Oh, God. Oh, if someone doesn't have a colour, it just breaks. Oh, yeah, because it's... I'm having a heart attack, dude. So, yeah, if the list ends up empty, then that doesn't work. If they don't have any roles. Is it even possible to do this as a one-liner? At all? So the filter, well, the filter returns none because none of the roles have any color, and then it sorts into a list, which then oh my god. Thing is, lists don't have like a get item thing like dicks have a get. Lists don't have that, which is annoying. You know, I'm just gonna comment that out for now. We'll come back to that if someone does come up with something. I don't want to spend the whole stream on it, but if someone wants to have a go with that, we've still got another like 2 hours of the stream left. How has it only been an hour and 18, dude? It feels like I've been in here for like 3 days. Oh. Also, I've got 249 followers. Someone please follow so I can get to 250. I've just seen the follower count. Please, I am begging once again. There we go. Thank you, Dr. Frax. I believe that's how you're supposed to pronounce that. Mr. 250, thank you. See, begging does work. What's the name of the theme you're using? It's I Mirage Boarded, AYU. I'm half considering like removing that goal, to be honest. It ain't one-liner though. That's the problem. It's just irritating. I guess. I do wonder, is it possible? Well, it should be. Actually, maybe not. I was going to say, is it possible to extend... Oh, because it's a function, it might actually be possible to like extend the bot object to have... Okay, so if I were to just do this for now, and then bot.getColor equals getColor, is that possible in Lightbulb / Hikari? Yeah, but functions don't get slots though, so would it still attach itself? Is the question. Do you know one line constant? What is the hex code? Hex code is like a default one, 1987BD, though you could just use 600 if you want. Functions do get slots. Do they? You don't manually slot them though. We're doing it! Damn it. Alright. But what if set attra though? I'm not expecting this to work any better. No. Gosh darn it. I could have pinned it to the data class, but at that point... Wait. To the guild general. The biggest. To be fair, I was thinking something like that. I just did not want to faff around with it on camera. I'm glad someone has done it. Let's do it off camera. So, color equals. Oh, I've done a dot, not a comma. See, now that is how you do. That is how you do that. That is absolutely hilarious. What a meme, dude. What an absolute meme. I like the use of the walrus operator in there as well. Just to add just to add to it. It just adds to the overall effect, I feel. Jesus Christ. Actually, can you... Here's a question. It's not going to fix this particular use case, but in Discord.py you can invoke commands with a custom context where you could subclass a context and then add extra stuff to it if you wanted to. Is that possible in Hikari / Lightbulb? I suppose it'd be Lightbulb actually. It'd be the question to be directed to. Maybe. Yeah, it would be Lightbulb. Oh, it is possible. Okay. So it might be something about... It's like, it might be worth putting a utility into like a custom context to do this. Granted, it won't be attached to the member, but because the member is a Hikari object, and then we just have like ctx.getMemberColor or something like that. Like in a custom context. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a comment about that. So it might be a good excuse to show off custom context as well. Because then I can, in commands at the very least, I can create a new event, not an event. I can have that available to do. But we'll come to that when we come to it. But we actually need to finish off the embed. So that gets moved over and then dot. I completely forget everything and anything that embeds have. Add field, edit field. You can edit fields. That's cool. Set author. Information. Dot set footer. I think this still works like text equals. Is that not how it works? It's just not happy with me. Text equals. Oh, is it positional only? I see. So which one comes first? Is it a text? Text, okay. Not required. Requested by, and then I guess I'll put these on separate lines as well. Event.message.member.displayName. And then icon, I'm guessing it's event.message. I guess member and author would have the same. Dot avatar URL. Looks to be that. Dot set thumbnail. Event dot message dot guild dot icon URL. Oh god, icon URL. I'm basically just doing like a load of like stuff that you could do on this, and then dot add field. Is this positional or keyword argument only? I don't remember. Oh, okay, icon. That's fair. So icon. Okay, that makes a bit more sense. I feel. Add field. I can't remember if field's a position or keyword. I feel that they used to be keyword. I don't know if they still are. Valley. And I think inline defaults to false or something, so I'll just say inline equals true for the purposes of this. Okay. That's changed then. Interesting. I suppose it does make sense why it's like. I suppose it's more consistent with the way slash commands work. I think. Or either that or I'm thinking about how Lightbulb does it, and Lightbulb probably was changed to be consistent with Thingy-Mabob. Don't add this to the tutorial. I probably won't put the color thing in there, to be honest. I'll probably leave that out. Oh god. Could not transform into a color object. Oh, what's it done now? Does the color thing not work? Oh yeah, because it would be it would be even worse. You'd have to wrap that in brackets and dot color. You'd have to do like, yeah. Have you done? Oh yeah, it would be just dot color. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna add this color thing to a tutorial. This is just in the stream for a bit of a meme at this point. Set author takes one positional argument, but two are given. You lied to me, Tom. Never mind, I've been lied to. Oh. So that must be like that, I suppose. Oh, is it Get Guild? It must be Get Guild. If you're off for dinner, then thanks for stopping by, Tom. You've been helpful, as always. So presumably it's Get Guild. God damn it. What is it? Christ's sake. Random message. Oh. I'm guessing it must be member.guild then. Welcome to the stream, Hellish. Hope you're doing okay. I guess it would be that, maybe? Christ above. How do you get the guild? It's gotta be something. Okay, it has to be one of these, surely. Unless it's just event.guild. Oh, Christ, my life. It might just be event.guild. No. Channel ID.guild? Check for guild message create event. Oh, that could be... maybe, yeah. Ah, there you go. Yeah, there's the guild ID. Okay. So, I suppose we specifically want the guild's message create event then. Right, okay. Thanks for that, MG. Welcome to the stream, by the way. So, event dot guild ID dot icon URL. I don't think that's going to work because I think it's going to complain it's a snowflake. Yep. Gosh darn it. So do we need to... Oh my god. Stop! Stop it! It's fine. I'm guessing... Oh, get guild, okay. Event.getguild.rule. Hey! We did it! Oh my god! Oh Christ, I'm back. Right. We did it! We did it, Reddit. No, I don't know if it would work for someone without colours though. So if someone could test that. Oh jeez, as I said, not that it's going in the tutorial, but okay. What I'm gonna do is this constant series of warnings is annoying. I hope AP Scheduler sorts this out at some point. I wonder, you know what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna get something to eat in a bit, but what I'll do is yeah, can I have AP Scheduler please? I suppose I haven't been to the repository, so at least in a while. Issues. Someone must have flagged it up by now. Oh, apparently not. That's interesting. Okay, I might make an issue for that at some point. But for the time being, I might leave the bot online for people to mess around with, should they choose to. Okay, cool, it does work. Sweet. Oh, is it still locked? Yeah, fair enough. If you scroll, actually, I was gonna say if you scroll at the Twitch chat, you'll be able to find it. That's not how the Twitch chat works, is it? Let me just re-grab it for where it was before. You know, I'll just make a new one to be easier. Making something using AP Scheduler. It's I guess AP Scheduler just hasn't updated to it yet. Hopefully by the time the series comes around, that will be fixed. That's what I should say. Right, I will be back in a bit. I'm just gonna get something to eat. So I still don't have a be right back screen. So I'll switch to this. And then wasn't there like a there was a be right back placeholder that had him in place. Yeah, I'm gonna get I'm not going to be gone for long. I'm just going to get like a snack or something. But I will be back in a wee bit. Alright, I'm back. Just re-recording that, there we go. I didn't have anything properly substantial, so I had to make something. So it's a bit longer than I originally intended to be, but it's fine. Like literally, pretty much all I had were chocolate bars. So. I want something a bit more than that, considering I technically haven't actually eaten anything all day. Not gonna lie. Well, depending on when you classify a day as. I don't think my definition of a day is the same as most other people's at the moment. I did get a chocolate bar though, before making something, so just finishing that off now. Right, I'm in plan. I've still got to do attachments. I think that's pretty much everything in the embed. So if event.message .content double equals attachment, then I have no idea how this works. And alright, what does it want? Undefined or resource-ish, for Christ's sakes. Hey Jax, welcome to the stream. How you doing, okay? Naturally. It's, well, I suppose Discord.python is a file, so... Is resource just available? Resource-ish is just available. Oh, embed resource, there we go. A base type for any resource provided in an embed. That's not necessarily what we want. Okay. I guess we are making our way over to the docks. I can't find a GitHub.io. Oh, it changed. It doesn't want to do it anymore. Carberra.dev. Documentation. Message.respond. And then we want this component undefined or special to import. Oh no, that's not what we want. We want, yeah, files. Okay, resource-ish. Actually, what we probably want to search up just resource straight up. Oh god. Okay. By inception, with significantly reducing the memory usage field, but as it grows larger. Okay. God. Let's just grab that. No, okay, whatever, it's fine. So it'd be... await Hikari.files.resource.read. And then we want... I'm just going to send a plan script. And that, in theory, should just kind of work. Let's go back into general. Attachment. Hikari.files is no attribute resource. You what? Oh, it's resource.read, I think. Can't instantiate abstract class. Oh, what? Can't instantiate abstract class resource with abstract methods file name stream and URL. Right, I see. Okay. So that goes there, presumably. Is that the same thing? For Christ's sakes. Open that in Notepad. And it is the same thing. Okay, it just was given a weird file name. Is it given a... I was given a randomly seeded file name. I think it can set that. Yeah. File name equals... Is there a way to just set that if none? If this is none, the name of the file is taken from the path instead. Which is completely untrue. That simply just is not the case. Huh? Okay, that is just outright not doing it. For some reason, and I don't know why. Let's see if the spoiler thing at least works. I don't know if spoilers even work on attachments like this. They don't. Huh, that's really bizarre. Hmm. Pass. This will be performed as required and executed to prevent blocking the event light. The path-ish. Christ's sakes. I don't know. File name of the resource. The file name shouldn't just randomly generate it, surely. Unless I don't know, unless something is just going weird in like the way I'm doing it and instantiating, it's just not happy with that. Awaits file equals Hikari. I wonder if I could just do Hikari.file. Can I do that? I can do that. File.read. Actually, could I just send the file up? That might be... I don't know. Oh, right, yeah. Okay, that works. Yeah. Alright, so if you send... Oh, because I was probably sending... I was sending the raw bytes up. Okay, that does explain things a bit more. Okay. Cool. Right. So I can probably just do that then. Right, so the plan. I don't know if I want to. This is just. I at the very least want to put that at the end. just in case there's something on there I need to do. Okay, so attachment, well, sending attachments isn't actually as complicated as I expected it to be, so I might put that in. I might put that in with the message stuff. Because embeds, yeah, embeds need their own one. And then I would... So I really feel like this attachment one isn't worth a video on its own. Although the series is very much going off splitting things up as much as necessary, to try and prevent as much confusion as possible. An embed builder this time. No. There's no real need to with the embed chaining. Or the method chaining. I ideally... No, I'm kind of going off the basis why I don't really want to do any abstractive utils this time. Because I did... Well, I mean, the ready system isn't necessary for Hikari due to the way it works internally. But, like the database, for example. I did a database utility for the last series. And that mostly served to confuse people, I think. So I'm just kind of, you know, showing off the raw API pretty much as it comes, and then people can build utilities and, you know, helper functions around that should they wish to. So I think that's probably the better way of doing it rather than forcing like people down one path. DB thing was really helpful. Some people really liked it. Some people, it just really confused people as well. It was really one or the other. It was either a godsend or a nightmare for people. So I'm going to do all of that manually. And there's no reason that you can't... If you're used to how the DB works in Discord up high, theoretically there's no reason you can't do that again. There's no reason you can't pull this, because the bot.d.db is just set to the connection object, which the database object before abstracted the connection object anyway. So the methods are largely the same, to be honest. It's just the way things are passed to it is slightly different because the SQLite 3 are slightly weird ways of doing things. So yeah. But I'd rather just do everything raw so as to not confuse people. And if they want to do abstractive stuff for themselves, then they can. Because the series will provide, you know, a way to do that. So I think everything, I'm just absolutely making sure here. Okay. Sweet. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Right, okay. So that is all done. I think I will have attachments as its own one. It would just be super short. Try sending an MP3 file. I could. It should be fine. I can't see why it wouldn't work. We can try it. Slenderbeats.mp3. There we go. See how that works, stream. 7.32 megs. I do wonder what would happen if you tried to get the bot to send something really big. Actually, this one here, this one I think is, because it's a WAV, yeah, it's 46 megs. So I'm wondering how the bot will react. We've got to hydrate. Hang on. I'll quickly do this real quick. And that is, I think, a WAV here, or a wave. That's wavy, dude. Let's see what happens if we hit the size limit, or even if we have a size limit as a bot. We might not have one. We do. Request entity is too large. Client HTTP response error. I guess it'll help pad out the episode a bit, won't it? Oh, my tablet's on low battery. That ain't good. I'm gonna have to sort that out in a bit. Accept Hikari dot client. Oh, God's sake. Dot client HTTP response error. Message dot response. I don't know. Yeah, we'll just do this. File is too large. So as far as I can tell, it does upload it, and then Discord just shuts it down. Yeah, I think it does actually upload the file. Then Discord's like, nah, mate, you're not paying us enough money. You don't get to send that file. Because that is how everyone at Discord sounds. Fact. Oh god. We've got water one side, I just had. I've got a freaking smoothie the other side. Right, where's my portable charger? Is it over here? No, it's over there. Oh, fantastic. Gosh darn it! Take this. Right. Okay. That goes in there. How much is in this? 47%. Amazing. This portable charger has honestly been a lifesaver. Quite expensive. I spent like 30 quid on it, but it's definitely been worth it. It's been an absolute lifesaver more times than I can count. That was a smooth ending to that song, by the way. I hope you enjoyed that. Come on, there we go. Oh. Yeah, I think it'll help pad out the episode a bit at least. So next is extensions. I'm just gonna have it send the plan.md again. Get rid of these two. And really hope I didn't move those. I didn't. Okay. Tis fine. Alright, so new folder, extensions. I'm wondering if I should do like a Git and at this point have it like up to episode 3. Yeah, I might do that. Git, just add everything. Oh, it really don't like that. Oh, because it added the dump. It added the cache dump. I'm not uploading this to a repo, so it doesn't matter. But oh my god. So that is why you have a git ignore typically. But we're not bothering with that right now. Because this is essentially just snapshotting. I could. One thing I could do is I could use NewSex to do it, which would be a pretty big meme. But yeah, I'm not going to. I don't think. Although I think NewSex would catch. Oh no, it wouldn't, because it only considers files. It doesn't capture empty directories. So yeah, the next one is it's just extensions and stuff. So then we have bot.load extensions from, and there is actually a bug that I want to fix with this. So I actually wrote this bot.load extensions from. As I said, every single time I put it in a video or stream or anything, I always have to say that I wrote it. There's actually a bug at the moment, which I knew about at the time but decided against fixing because I didn't think it was too important. But essentially what happens is that you can load extensions from a relative directory, but if you were to say do something like this, just pretend pathlib is installed for now, and load them from an absolute directory like that, then it would error and it would basically be like, no, I'm not doing this, blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to try and fix that. Actually, I might make an issue about it now while I'm thinking about it. I was going to make an issue about it the other day, but I forgot. Hikari light bulb. Hikari light bulb. Oh, there's only one open issue. Damn. Shame I'm about to make that too. No, there's no way there could possibly be a bug in this program. Is this correct? That's the wrong one. I feel as though that's been messed up a bit. Yeah, bug report.yml. That was the problem with it. Render is not a permitted key. Well, that's quite unfortunate. Body 3. So that would be. Oh yeah, it'd be this one. Apparently, render just doesn't work. Huh? What in the world? Let's issue templates. That's not right. It's forms. Oh, it's in attributes. That's why it's messed up. So that needs to be shunted over. Okay. I'm gonna make an issue for that as well. Oh no. Item 3. I'm not really sure what you'd even really call it. Issue template, bug report. Yeah, body 3. Yeah, there's a problem. System info. Okay. system info text area fields has the render attribute incorrectly indented. Ideal implementation. Attributes. $167. Okay. Now I can submit our own thing. So submitting as feature request due to number 167. Okay. So it'd be, what is it? Oh yeah. Does not accept absolute directories. Currently, only relative directories can be passed to should be allowed. Done. We'll contribute it. Why is this needed? Some path live methods. Oh, I don't want to save. Okay. The menu shit, alright. Cool. Right, just wanted to get that out of the way while I was thinking about it. So that one I'll load the extensions from extensions. We don't have any at the moment. But we're going to make one. And I don't know which one I'm going to do. Well, before I did like a fun command, didn't I? So if I do, I'm guessing one of these must be the series, right? This one, okay. Yep, cogs. This was the fun one, was the one that came first. Yeah, it was this hello. I kind of found that this one worked quite well for demonstrating certain things like that. So I guess we'll do that again. So it'd be import light bulb. And then you have plugin equals lightbulb dot plugin. And then it'd be called fun. Plugin.commands, and then lightbulb.commands, and then it'd be have the bot say hello, and then lightbulb.implements. I think you have to do like from lightbulb import commands. You don't have to do that, but it's just easy if you do. Yeah. Slash commands. So that will then implement both the prefix command and a slash command. CFD hello, whoops. Self context, Again, I don't actually know how heavily I want to type hint this. Thing is, type hint into context is just a bit annoying for the most part. I've type hinted everything fairly consistently here. Yeah, we'll do it. Why not? From light bulb import context. Context dot context. That pretty much works. Wait, ctx dot respond. Because essentially that could either be, well, I suppose specifically it can either be a prefix command, a prefix context, or a slash context. You what? What's going on here? Oh, because we're on Python 3.9. Oh, we're on Python 3.9. Oof. Put annotations. Cool. I don't know how I end up doing that in the series, but we'll see. And then in this we import random as well. Greeting equals random dot choice. Hello, hi, hey, and then hi, higher. Welcome. Oh, it's grey again. Why does it keep putting names in grey? As the defender. Correct me if I'm wrong in that pronunciation. Welcome to the stream. We're making a Discord bot in Hikari, which is a Discord.py alternative if you haven't heard of it before. Essentially what we're doing is we're just kind of going through and planning the series currently. That will be on YouTube soon, TM. So that should, and then, so this is where kind of different mentions and stuff come in. Oh, it's missing a load function. That is very true. That is a very good point. Def load, be bots, and then, oh, I don't know, I can't be asked. You know what? Can't be asked to be super strict with the type hints. There really isn't a point. So I'll get rid of these ones as well, because you don't need them. Unless we absolutely, like, really need them, then I'm not going to bother going too hard on the type hints, I don't think. Because most people aren't going to be running MyPy strict on them. Oh, really? That's fair. Discord.py is dead, unfortunately. Well, depending on who you ask. And anything you make in Discord.py will pretty much stop working from about April. So, Hikari is the natural evolution. There are other alternatives as well, but Hikari is the one that we at Carberra are endorsing. So, yeah. Launch the pod doesn't work. If you join the Discord server and ask in one of the support channels, someone will come help you. I don't really do support on stream. But there'll be helpers online, probably. How does the load work? I genuinely don't even remember. Main, and then extensions, and then meta. Okay, it's just not the most complicated thing in the world, to be honest. Plug in def unloads. Let's make it as a computer science project. You're not the only person I know currently making a Discord bot as a computer science project. I've actually been tutoring someone also making a bot as a computer science project, which is kind of funny. Seems to be a popular idea. So that should now run. There we go. So now we should now have that emoji is so weird. Oh, we got help. Oh my goodness! Look at this. That's the default one, anyway. So it'd be slash whatever it was. Hello. I've errored and I cannot get up. Missing one positional argument. I keep thinking this is self, and it's just not. There's no self there. No worries. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for the follow. By the way, I do appreciate it. Unfortunately, this is the sort of time that I stream every time I do stream, so that's slightly unfortunate for you, but there you go. That works now. So that doesn't ping, but we can set it to ping by doing, well, again, mentions reply equals. Actually, we could do user mentions equals true, and now it will pong us. Hey, big win. Oh, I thought it was the end of the music for a second. So that is a simple one about how to get the well, about just how to do stuff, I suppose. I lack a better phrase. Yeah, then you've got the rolling of dice. Yeah, adding. It's kind of one and the same. Because in Lightbulb you could just do them both at once. Which does help out massively. So I don't need to worry about that anymore, so... I guess we would do a second command with options and stuff. It's one of my kind of favourites for explaining stuff like this is the dice command. Roll. Okay, now I need the Hikari intro one up. View all repositories, please. It's not a Carberra thing, it's my own thing. Gosh darn it. It's also not pinned anymore. But it is the most recently updated one I did about it. Interesting. Dice. Roll one or more dice. Lightbulb dot implements, and then we'll see how well this works, I suppose. Prefix command, commands dot slash command. Actually, one thing I didn't test real quick, I didn't test that the prefix commands worked. Oh. Why's that not working? Is that not the prefix I set? Oh, that was that wasn't the prefix I set. That would probably explain it. Okay, cool, that works. Okay, that's fine. And then async def dois. That's what we need. CTX, and then I suppose we don't really need type hints at all. Come to think of it. Oh, because it's all in the context, isn't it? You don't actually pass arguments to it. Lightbulb dot option bonus. I'm thinking it's probably actually it would go like in reverse order, wouldn't it? Oops, total raw, which is an int, and it has a default of 0. And then this is also a default, but this is a default 6. Number of sides each die will have. And then this doesn't have a default, but is also an int. Number, the number of dice to roll, yeah. The number of dice to roll. And then print ctx.options, and I want to see if that works the same on both the slash command and the thingy command. Okay, well it just does an options proxy, so I'm guessing it sort of does. Actually, I suppose I should really check. Type error, option like found. Oh, it does. But if you're missing arguments, it raises a type error and not what it's supposed to. That's interesting. Oh no, it does raise what it's supposed to. My error handler's just wrong. But it's string instance. Oh yeah, because this thing sucks. For Christ's sakes, that's not a string. That's a wrapper. For bloody hell, man. I suppose I could just do o.name and that'll probably be fine. Yeah, some missing arguments. That's fine. So now I've got to patch. Hang on. I've got to patch. What the hell is going on? Stop. Okay. Tutorial bot amends, and then I've got to patch. Bloody hell. So I can do that. And then if ctx dot options dot number is greater than 25, then await ctx dot respond. No more than 25 dice can be rolled at once. Return if size is greater than 100. That'll be ctx.options.sides. Await ctx.respond. The dice cannot have more than 100 sides. And then return it. And then rolls equals random.randint. One ctx.options.sides. Final score in range numero. Ctx. I wonder if ctx.o is still a thing that works. I actually don't know if you can still do that. No, you can't. Okay. So await ctx.respond. So now we need to join that together for our in roles. I'm a good programmer. And then plus. Oh, this needs to be. Plus ctx.options.bonus. Okay, you just don't like that at all. Expected else. Well, there's an else right there. What? Does this need to be... bloody walrus operator doesn't work properly over here. Walrus operator barely works. A summer life, dude. Yeah, we're gonna do n equals... number s equals ctx.options.sides and b equals ctx.options.bonus. Bonus. Yeah. And then plus sum rolls plus Yeah, what we'll do, we won't just have in, we'll have like proper variable names. Considering that, spoiler, I wrote a script for a video literally, no, it'd be this morning. Literally this morning, where I talked at relatively decent length about not using single letter variable names. So just gonna not do that. Okay, so that should now work. Dice, so number 10, and then sides, they all have 4 sides. No, they all have 20 sides. They're all 20-sided dice. Never mind. And a non-type. Why is bonus a non-type? In what universe is bonus a non-type? Is there another bug? Print number size bonus. Okay, something is going very wrong here. 6, 6, none. There might actually be a bug where if you set an int object to there, it's a bug. Huh. How very strange. Right, guess we go submit another bug using the feature request form because the bug request was broken. Setting a default of 0 to an integer option. Sets the option to none instead. Currently, I'm just gonna like paste the code in, I suppose. Pi. Why? Why did it do that? God's sake. SAS dice. That's not how that works. Just options dot bonus. Would output 6, 6, none. Oh, I think we are actually out of music now. Oh my god, we actually ran out. Jesus. Right, I guess I'll do this and then I'll end the stream. Because while this bug is a thing, we can't do too much about it. What the name of... Okay, that was weird. The bug... No, well actually... You know, we'll go onto the YouTube audio library and we'll get some absolute bangers going for the wee bit while I'm finishing off the stream. The YouTube audio library has some legit bops. Like, no lie. I'm actually finding myself listening to the songs off the audio library in my spare time. Instead of other music. I don't know how loud that's going to be. I'm just going to make sure that's... Okay. Same level of loudness, cool. The expected... bonus equaling 0. Idea of invitation to be decided. Yeah, some new issue. Okay, cool. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna call the stream here. Because we ran out of music. Everyone appears to have gone home. And there's quite a devastating bug in Lightbulb at the moment. That will need to be patched out. I might try and do it myself, we'll see. But yeah, thanks to everyone that stopped by. Thanks to everyone that gave me a follow. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you hopefully on Saturday. We'll have a video actually edited. It's just been... VirtualBox has been screwing with me. So getting any sort of video done has been an absolute nightmare. But yeah, there should be a video on Saturday. Although I may change the normal day to Monday. We'll see. There should also be a stream next Wednesday as well. / Thursday, depending on the exact day. But yeah, I will see everyone later. Bye.